Good morning, children. Welcome to social class of 3rd standard. In last class, we have seen Unit 1 historical places. Today, we are going to see Unit 2 sanctuaries. Children, what is sanctuaries? Sanctuary is a place where animals and birds are protected from hunting and other human activities. Children, do you know other places of sanctuaries where they protected animals and birds? Are you ready to see that places, children? Okay. National parks. National parks are places where wild animals are protected. Now, let's see some of the most popular sanctuary and reserves in India. Corbett National Park. Corbett National Park is the oldest park. It is in Uttarakhand. Bengal tigers are protected here. There is another sanctuary that protects Bengal tigers are Sundarbans National Park. It is in West Bengal. Number of tigers have been increased in India due to the successful conservation efforts of Project Tiger. Now, let's see the Biosphere Reserve in India. Biosphere reserves are places where animals, birds and plants are protected. Children, do you like elephants? Yes, all kids love elephants. In India, Nilagiri Biosphere Reserves in a place where elephants are protected. Not only as elephant but also as Indian leopard, black panther and Nilagiri tahr. Look at this picture, children. Do you know what flower is this? Yes, this is Kurunji flower. There are different species of flowering plants also protected in Biosphere Reserve. One among them is Kurunji flower which blooms only once in 12 years. There are 3 Biosphere Reserves in Tamil Nadu. That is Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve are the 3 biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu. Clear, children? Now let's see the Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary. It is 25 kilometers from Chengalpattu. There are different types of unique and colorful birds are found here, children. If you want to see different types of birds, then you must visit Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary. You can find pelicans, night herons and many more birds here. Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest water bird sanctuary in India. Children, what is migrate? Migrate means a bird or an animal moves from one place to another due to change in seasons. It is called migrate. Now, let's see the Gir National Park. Gir National Park is in Gujarat as Asiatic lion. These are the Asiatic lions, children. Look at this picture. Children, now let's see about Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is the home of one-horned rhinoceros. It is in Assam. It has around 2/3 of all rhinoceros in the world. Children, do you know about the one-horned rhinoceros? It is very rare species of rhinoceros are protected in Kaziranga National Park. The number of one-horned rhinoceros have been increased due to the successful conservation efforts. Children, today we have learned about sanctuary. Is a place where animals and birds are protected. And different sanctuaries where is situated in India. And we can understand the importance of biosphere reserves. Children, animals, birds and different types of plants are important part of our environment. So, we must never harm them. It is our duty to protect them. Okay, children? Read this lesson, children. Thank you, children. See you in next class.